It was one of my dreams to do a prosthodontic course actually that is organized only in the prosthetic basis, because the prosthodontist is an architect. He's an architect who is organizing and treatment planning from the beginning of the treatment until the end. So I will think the participants will have the opportunity to do the treatment planning from A to Z, which is something actually that I would say it's missing in Europe. A prosthodontic course which has nothing to do with surgery or with endo or with implant surgery, it's only about prosto.
Since the beginning, when Stavros, my good friend, invited me and described me this project, I was very excited for many reasons. First of all, because of the objective of the mission of this course, which is elevate the education of young dentists. Plus, he put me in a faculty panel, which is one of the best in Europe and probably around the world. It has been a challenge from the beginning to design an educational program that would help the new dentist to start understanding prosthodontics since the beginning, since the diagnosis, through the treatment planning, always with a prosthodontic point of view, which is probably the most important, because with prosthetics is what the patient will end up with.
I think it's a really nice program. We are right now at our third session actually, and we are focused now on ceramic restorations like ceramic veneers, minimally invasive preparation, using demagnification. And I think it's an awesome chance to participate and learn something new, because besides checking the theory and seeing many clinical cases, they have a chance to have intense hands-on sessions, perform preparations, try scanning process, and also provisional restorations. And we will now gonna go and practice the hands-on about the rubber dam. I advise you all, if you haven't been here yet, to try this. I think you can get lots of tips that you can use daily in your practice.
This is a very unique opportunity that you have to have all of these speakers that are excellent in their field and discuss all the prosthodontics issues that we might have in everyday dental practice. So restoration on implant, aesthetic restoration of the anterior region, full arch restorations, dealing with the bruxing patient. These are all answers that we're going to discuss, and hopefully you're going to have some solutions for your practice the next day.
I would like to invite you to the prosthodontic course organized by Stavros Perikanos and Omnipress in Athens, where I will try to describe the digital path in prosto, how to organize our digital patient concept, and start to mastering this ideal workflow that starts from the intraoral impression with the new modern technology, scanning the mouth of the patient, scanning the face of the patient, combine everything together, and then see the patient also in the lab, and so approach in a team our prosthodontic rehabilitation.